Hey GPS 5th graders, we are here for lesson 3 and 5/10 regarding the essential question, how did cultural, political, and societal differences between the North and South lead to the United States Civil War? We're going to continue working with our learning target of I can explain the relationships between two or more concepts within a text. As always, please make sure that you're pausing and rewinding as you need so that way you can have appropriate understanding. And of course, make sure that you have something to write on and write with. All right, so we know that we read to learn, and today we're going to be reading to learn about the Dred Scott case. And this was a Supreme Court case that happened prior to the Civil War and is one of those leading causes of the Civil War because it continued to divide Northern and Southern state ideals. We're going to be talking briefly about it, and then we're going to go right into your assignment, and you will read about the decision. So a little bit of background knowledge before I lead you into your assignment. Dred Scott v. Sanford was a case that was decided by the Supreme Court in 1857. Dred Scott was an enslaved person, and he traveled with John Emerson, who was the slave owner at the time. And they traveled quite a bit because John Emerson were part of the military. And their travels included time in free states, namely Illinois, that was a free state, and Wisconsin, that was a free territory. And so when Emerson died, Dred Scott sued for his freedom because he noted that since he had resided for quite a long time in that free state, in that territory, he should be free. It is called Dred Scott v. Sanford because eventually, when Emerson's widow died, all property, and remember this was in 1857, so enslaved people were considered property, was transferred to his brother-in-law who had the name of Sanford. All right, so now that we have a little bit of background knowledge, you're going to go ahead and hit this learning target by completing this graphic organizer. You're going to be analyzing the positions of Dred Scott and Sanford, looking at the Supreme Court's decision, and then the impact of that decision. The graphic organizer and the text can be found on the next page of your Canvas module, so go ahead and head on over there.